Hey guys, Jason here, and today we're going to be playing some Happy Wheels on TotalJerkface.com.
And I'm here.
Yeah, my friend Creeper Bolt's here too, cause
I Need for Speed.
he's such a butt.
Shoot.
No, I died.
Can you hurry up cutscenes?
Yeah, cut scenes. You suck.
I hate cutscenes.
Then you'd hate GTA 5.
I like GTA 5. I think if they cost like less than every zero point 0.1 seconds, I would like it more. So I play GTA 4. Because you can install mods.
Yeah, but it sucks.
I mean, it sucks. The
It
only thing I
sucks.
think's bad about it is the lighting. I think the lighting sucks. Other than that, I like the game.
Why does it do that?
Oh yeah, hey Jason, you know the Advanced Warfare? You know what I love about it is that like you can fly up everywhere now instead of just like not being able to like get up on buildings in some places.
Yeah.
You get up on anything. Except for off the map. I believe you die if you get off the map this oh
I
I'm
don't
just
like
fine.
this.
Hey, whoa. Gotta turn off all my nope. Settings. There we go.
No.
Off.
Oh yeah, this might come out the day that I posted the day that I posted the 20 subscriber special. So yeah.
I need to turn off music because you'll get copyrighted.
Hey, did you see that video?
What?
My 20 subscriber?
No, I didn't feel like it.
Huh?
What?
Why are you such a butt?
My internet was kicked out. And I had to eat dinner. Tap break the drift, yeah! Tap it, not hold it, dummy.
How is your internet out?
What?
How is your internet out?
My sister was on her computer. She ruined her whole internet. I'm driving to Aston Martin.
Did you just say the A word?
No, Aston Martin. It's the name of a car.
Oh. Well,
Austin Martin. There. Austin Martin. Dude, I'm drifting like a pro. I crashed. Oh, I didn't crash.
no!
Oh, I'm drifting like a pro. I suck at racing games. But they're so fun, though. Hey, hold on. No. I need to turn around real fast.
Whoa, mommy.
I have a run to Austin
Mommy.
Martin.
Damn. I'm counting that as a win. Oh,
I found a
bridge.
Porsche 911.
You found what? You found your mom?
I found a Porsche 911.
What's
Or a
that?
Porsche.
What's that?
It's
Every car you find has its own set of
It's in every car you find. What?
I'm using Easy Drive. Choose
Easy breezy, beautiful.
first race. A route to the start line will appear on your
Ah,
to the race start.
didn't mean to press Z. I'm not playing this.
I don't like my color though. I don't need to change my color.
Let's play Bosnies. Bosnies.
I don't like that color.
Yeah, we won. Lolliger tag.
I have a red one.
Okay. Impossible dashy.
Start the race.
Not playing that. It looks too impossible. Pogo Zone. Let's play Pogo Zone.
You better win that pogo jump. Ooh, I get nitrous if I win this.
Do you have a girlfriend?
You know that's no, Jason.
Who is it?
I said no.
Is it Addison?
No. Jason, remember, we're on YouTube.
Okay. It's not like they're gonna be mad that I say their name.
Don't talk about it on YouTube.
I'm not talking bad about anybody.
I said don't talk about anything. I'll hang up.
Why? I'm not saying your name.
No, if you say my name, I'll be mad.
So will your butt cheeks.
So you're what?
So will your butt cheeks. Your butt cheeks will be mad.
Yeah, then when I see you in school, I'm gonna punch you.
Uh-huh. You wish.
I'd punch you if I wanted to. I don't care if I get any attention. I'll tell them you punch me.
I didn't do anything to you. I'll show them exactly this video, too.
You want to? I'll hack your channel.
Yeah, but you don't know my information.
Yeah, you don't know. I don't. Did you know I know how to hack? Yeah, you don't do that.
What if I don't post it? This goes straight to my files.
Now delete your files.
But you don't know where...
I'll hack your computer, man.
You don't...
I'll
How can
hack
you...
I'll hack your computer.
How can you hack my computer?
I don't know. I'll shoot it.
I don't want Timmy. Timmy sucks.
Easy drive later to change your tires, nitrous, chassis, body, or transmission.
I hear something.
Speed points take you up to the wanted list. Principles is one way
Can
to
you shut up?
more by smashing through
Can you shut up?
I'm yelling at my game.
the
Oh,
security gates.
You know the game lady that always talks.
yeah.
Like she's
Your
trying to
mom.
tell you what to
The more you earn,
do. It's annoying.
get taking on the most wanted.
They don't have those for Happy Wheels. That's why it's so popular. They don't have no cutscenes. Except for the beginning of some levels.
Yeah, because it goes straight to the map. Have you ever thought about that?
Want to check your progress?
No.
Is there to help you?
I hate you.
I got me a off-road tires. Should I do burnout? I'm gonna do burnout. Ooh, it's burning rubber.
No.
Okay, it's lost. Okay.
No. I'm gonna die.
Hey, I wonder what a horn on Bugatti sounds like.
No,
You
stop.
know what I mean?
No, I don't know what you mean.
I don't know what.
No!
Have you always wondered what a horn like a Bugatti or something sounds like?
No.
You know what the Dukes of Hazzard horn sounds like?
No.
You have problems if you don't know.
Because I don't care about cars. They pollute the earth. They suck.
Not even talk about cars. Talk about the Dukes of Hazzard.
Well, he sucks too because he pollutes the earth with his gas. From
Are you
his
still
butt.
recording?
Yes.
Ooh, just found me a Trans Am. Hashtag you love Jan
I
Trans.
want to be pretty pie. No! Stop. Oi. Stop. Stop! No, 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 no. You stay. No, stop, stop. Go up, go up, go up. Go down a little bit. I need to fly over this glass. Oh no. Nice.
I'm fine. I won't take the dang Trans Am. Sorry, it came up to you, game. Eesh.
No. Stop. Stop!
I crashed by touching a car. Let's hit the NOS. Where's my daily map?
I don't like you, Helicopter Harry.
He's so good.
Yay, victory! I got victory. And Helicopter Harry helped me, kind of.
Gosh, dang it. Oh, I hate the dang analog.
These characters.
So dry. My game's stupid sometimes.
Like you! Ha 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 ha!
Why don't you just shut up?
How about you shut your butt?
Why don't you shut up before I sue you?
You can't sue me just for saying something.
I have $35. I could sue you if I wanted to.
No, you can't.
I could.
No, you can't.
I could sue you by $400 if I wanted to, but yet I bought it. Because I bought my PlayStation.
But it also gets the cops' attention.
You suck.
I said the cops. It's all your fault.
What's all my fault? Your mom? Haha. Yeah! Alright, did you know you was an accident?
What?
Everybody was an accident.
No, they weren't. Not everybody was an accident. I didn't. You're an accident.
Yeah, exactly, and you were too.
No, I'm not. Only you are.
You are an accident. You, your
Well-
sister, and your brother are an accident.
How are you an accident?
I'm not going to explain this on camera.
I was like that, huh?
Yeah! I won! Alright,
Yeah.
I can only do one more level, then I have to end this off. Not that.
Well, can I say my buys then?
Wait a second, I have to play one more level.
Going 70 miles an hour. I'm going 100 miles an hour in a Porsche 911.
Ha! Alright,
Oh, there's a car up
it's
there.
not Tina, Jamie, it's Annie.
Oh, there ain't no car. And, you know, up there. Nope, there's a car over there. I know that for a fact.
Please, Doctor.
Dude, I'm gonna give me a Gallardo.
Yay! Oh, dang it, I thought it was Jason, because if it was Jason, that'd be awesome.
Oh, yeah, I just found me a Lamborghini Gallardo, dude. Should I get it?
Your mom.
Should I get a Lamborghini Gallardo or a Porsche?
Porsche.
Well, it's
Because you have huge pores.
I'm gonna sue you.
You cannot sue me.
I'm gonna sue you.
You can sue your mom.
My Gallardo is better than anything you own.
You've never seen my car.
I don't even have a car.
You've never seen mine.
Just give it to my race.
Your mom.
Listen to it. Listen to it. It goes faster than my Porsche. So shush. Listen to it.
It goes faster than your huge pores.
I'll punch you.
Go ahead.
You record Skype?
No.
Okay. Just making sure. It is possible to record double websites if you want to.
Huh?
It is possible on my recording system that I showed you to record double websites. Ooh, a yellow rainbow.
Jesus! I'm not playing this. Alright. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. You have anything to say?
Bye! Subscribe to me, not him. Well,
Subscribe to me. I will sue and punch him. I will punch him in the nuts if you want to see that in my next video. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.
I'll sue you.
Go ahead, try to sue me.
Reading